Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about a very exciting feature that is Amazon QCLI, and I will show you how you can create exciting games using Amazon QCLI. You're not supposed to code anything. All these coded things will be created by Amazon QCLI, and you will be having games created like this. So these are the bunch of games I have tried and I have practiced. I am guessing games. I've created RBAC complete game. I've created security role matcher because working in security domain from last couple of years. So I thought let's create something exciting to learn more about the role and the permissions which are associated with those roles. Let me first start with just showing you the steps how we can install Amazon QCLI for Mac machines. So you can see this documentation which is available. So it's very easy. We have to download Amazon Q for CLI for Mac OS, and then we can just install the downloadable file and few little integrations. Just follow the steps which are given, and yes, you are good to go. We can switch to the terminal. Let me show you the start of the terminal because I have done a lot of stuff over here. So if you see, this is Amazon QCLI. To start this, you just have to type QChat. Now we can give the instructions. So if you see, I have given this instruction that I want to create a web-based game. So I have just given an instruction to CLI that create a web-based GUI game called RBAC Stack Attack. Then I've given certain game concepts. I've given certain technical requirements, and based on that, Amazon QCLI created the entire stack of files for me. Let me show you this game, which I've recently created for this demo. So, and it take a couple of minutes to create all these files and the entire game, and then you can have certain modifications which you will be needing. So I have just given this instruction for the demo purpose. I've created this game that create a new game for matching security role and permissions. Make this GUI based game based drag and drop functionality. That's it. That's the only instruction I've given to create this entire game. And Amazon QCLI started working on all those pointers, all those files which go behind this. So you can see this is a security role matcher HTML file, which will be the place from where the game will be played, started. You can see all those things are created by CLI only. Let me show you the other files which are created, and whatever is completed, it is also showing me the message as well that what it is creating, what is completed, and what is the next step which it is going to take. So let's add JavaScript to make game functional. So JavaScript file is also created. All these in couple of minutes. Then what all other steps this tool is taking, all the steps are coming here one by one, and then this particular game is created, and yes, we are ready to play this game. Let me show you this game and let's play this together. That's a security role matcher. So here we can see the instructions which are coming. Even I have not given anything in the prompt. I've just given a very simple prompt, but yes, we can work on the various things which we want to add in the game. That's a very, very basic game which I've created. So you can see the instructions, you can modify the instructions using the prompt. And in this game, I just have to match the role and the permissions which are associated with this. So let me take this security architect, designing secure system and infrastructure. And at any point of time, if we see that yes, we are not confident or the permission or role are not matching, we have an option to check the matches also. So right now the matches are correct. So I got the 10 points. I have to work on that because when I'm trying to drop any role, yes, I have to give some certain prompts to this. Yeah, this is coming security analyst. Okay, so time is over. So we can set up the time also, that how much time we want to give for the first round. So that's how it is very easy to create games with Amazon QCLI. We can chill and relax, and the entire thing will be managed and done by Amazon QCLI. Let me show you other games also which I have created. Few things I'm working on. This is a big one which I'm creating. That's RBAC complete game. Let me see if this is working now. This is not working. RBAC simple game. This is also not working. Yeah, the static one I think will work. No, this is also not working. So I'm still working on different games. I'm trying the way to learn IAM concept in a gamified version. And yes, Amazon QCLI is helping me. I'm not on this application TikTok, but I've tried to create this application, a game related to that. And yes, I got the TikTok challenge master game created by CLI. So it's a dance challenge you can complete, and then you can go for the next. If you want, you can skip it also. So there are few challenges which are created in terms of game from Amazon QCLI. So you can also try and practice certain things with this amazing tool that is Amazon QCLI. And at any point of time you feel any difficulty, there is a very rich documentation is available to learn more about Amazon QCLI. So what you're waiting for, install it and then create so many good games, and yeah, learn new things with gamification. So thank you all for watching this. This is the first try in which I'm sharing the games which I have created and how I have used Amazon QCLI, because this is not only the feature of Amazon QCLI. There are a lot of other features also which are available with Amazon QCLI. You can give the prompts, and based on that, you will get the response. It works like IDE also for all of us. And yes, it works with multiple languages, and it's very, very easy to install and very, very easy to work on. Okay, so waiting for you all to post your games and challenges on social media, LinkedIn. And if you have any questions and you want to connect with me, please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Happy to help you in your learning journey with Amazon QCLI. Thank you all once again for watching this. I hope this is a session which will be value adding something to you, where you can start your journey with this tool, which is very, very amazing tool, Amazon QCLI. Thank you all.